So you need a temporary smart staffer at your community because you're short-handed? I've got the steps to get you someone tomorrow. Hey Smarties, if you want smart solutions for your apartment community, please click the link below to subscribe. Go to our website and click the Request Staff Now link to get a smart staffer to your community tomorrow. Once you've clicked the link to Request Staff Now, you're going to tell us the apartment community that you need the staffing at. You're going to tell us the type of position that you need and this type of skill level to get a smart staffer to your community ASAP. You're also going to get paperwork that's going over our W-9, our general liability insurance and workers' comp. Once you've completed the assignment agreement and the client packet and reviewed it and returned it to me, I'll go ahead and identify in my pool of talent who I have that can meet that qualification, and then once you tell me the start date, we'll have someone out at your community. We understand how difficult and frustrating it can be to be short-handed, and using Smart Apartment Solutions as a temporary option for your staffing needs is a great choice. As a smart client, you will have top priority and my attention to go over all of your staffing needs for your community. If you're looking for a smart staffing solution, click the link below to subscribe with us. Until then, get smart.